Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's practice is full of playful moves and calm breaths to make you feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Here we go, let's begin. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed and your hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment and take a slow, deep breath in and out. Feel calm and ready to begin. Place one hand on the floor beside you and lift the other arm up and over your head. Stretch to the side like you're reaching for a rainbow. Switch sides and feel the stretch on both sides of your body. Switch side. Come onto your hands and knees. Round your back like a cat, then drop your belly and look up like a cow. Keep breathing as you flow. Cat, cow, cat, cow. Tuck your toes and lift your hips high. You're in upside down V shape. Press your hands and feet into the mat and take a big breath. Step 1 foot forward between your hands. Lower your back knee down. Lift your chest and arms up to the sky. Feel strong and brave, like a young explorer. Switch sides. Open your arms wide, one to the front and one to the back. Look over your front hand. Stand tall and proud, a peaceful warrior. Switch sides. Straighten your front leg. Reach your front hand forward, then down toward your shin or the floor. Stretch your other arm up to the sky. You're making a big triangle shape. Switch sides. Stand on one foot. Place your other foot on your leg. Maybe low, maybe high, but not on your knee. Bring your hands together like a tree trunk and grow your branches up. Sway gently if you like. Switch sides. Bend your knees and sit back like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your chest lifted and your arms strong. Feel your legs wake up. Stand tall. Wrap one leg over the other and intertwine your arms, finding balance, focus, and inner stillness. Switch sides. Stand up tall, then slowly fold forward. Let your head and arms hang heavy like a sleepy rag doll. Take a soft breath here. Sit with your legs stretched out in front. Reach your arms up, then fold forward gently over your legs. Try to relax your head and shoulders. No need to touch your toes. Sit tall, cross one leg over the other, and gently twist your spine to open your chest and release tension. Switch side. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop to the sides. Hold your feet and flutter your legs like butterfly wings, light and free. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips up. Your shoulders stay on the mat. You're a strong bridge. Maybe cars or butterflies can cross. Lie down close to a wall and stretch your legs straight up. Let your arms rest by your sides. Feel the calm as your legs relax and your mind slows down. Sit cross-legged and rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a big breath in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Feel calm and peaceful. Fantastic job, little yogis. You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.